Hello. We're back. We were trying to upload more, so today we're gonna be going to pick up a new steering wheel for Salome from some guy that's selling it online. We're gonna head there now. We'll catch you when we're there. We got the steering wheel, but I didn't really film them. It's kind of weird. now Ada's driving. How do you like the steering wheel? Dude, you're turning too much. What do you guys think? Leave a comment down below. Slow, you like it?
You mean someone ran the stock one? Hold up, swap.
Hold up, swap. Catch you at home. Is this how you get into a fucking oh! That looks bad, dude. Holy! This.
I think we're gonna do a sign.
You have to go like super, huh? You have to go super sideways. This is what happens when you're too low. Salome's waiting for a VI to go back up. Here we go. It's about to scrape again. Keep going. Oh! There's no other way. You have to like pull it out.
Do that side.
Uh-huh.
Do that side.
Try doing this way. Like, yo, your wheels literally lift up.
What?
Your wheels literally lift up. Maybe it's this way. That way's higher than that way. Trust. Here we go. I don't know how you can do this. Keep turning it, I don't know. Is that your whole radius? You made it. Okay, I'll tell you when to stop. A little bit more. Stop, okay. You're good, keep going. We made it into one spot. It's good to go. Okay, we're finally doing Salome's steering wheel, and it looks pretty dark outside, but it's daylight savings. It is 7 o'clock. But yeah. Taking out the battery because Salome's annoyed. I thought these were supposed to say STI on them.
No, only the older ones do.
Oh. What's the first step you do?
So there's these holes in the side here, and you gotta use a screwdriver, and there's some pins you gotta pop.
Yo, you want me to shine a light at here?
Maybe.
Okay, hold on. Let's give Salome some light.
What, can you give a smaller one?
Why?
I was shining the light. Dude, this is all you get. God damn it.
Oh shit. You see it? To help?
Kind.
Here, I'll use my phone too. Holy dude, what is that?
You're touching the ground here.
Oh, the ground? And then honks it?
Yeah.
Makes honk? What the fuck? How hard? What are you looking for though?
You're actually an oak tree.
Oh shit.
Oh no, that's awful. There's some pins over here that go right here, and you gotta pop them off.
Oh, on both sides?
There's 3 of them.
Holy shit. Yeah.
One eternity later.
Oh, I see it.
Yo, I swear if this airbag pops, fuck. Got it? Ooh. Oh shit. Yellow wire. That's bad, right? Doesn't yellow mean airbag?
Yeah.
Okay, we got it. Now we gotta unplug everything.
So these are the clips.
Oh, those three?
And then
Yeah.
here, and there's one on the bottom.
Oh, okay. This is the scary part.
So disconnect the battery.
Oh, so it won't fucking deploy?
Yeah. Come here.
Well, that's how Sloan's gonna be driving nowadays.
Give for 17.
You want a breaker bar?
I got it. So you loosen it a bit.
That was a 17 mil?
Yeah. And then you. There you go.
And just rip it out.
And just move.
Clip in, right?
Yeah. So. And just push this back in.
Well, that was easy. And that's it.
Yeah.
And you just put everything down.
Make sure I'm using it.
Where's the ground go? Oh, it just goes on the airbag?
Yeah, it just goes on the airbag.
So 30?
Yeah, it's a 28.
Oh.
Good enough. You can go for a drive now.
Oh, you don't have to put the airbag on? Sorry.
No, I'll put it later. I can make
Well,
sure.
you need to put the battery in first of all.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go for a drive. So we gotta test drive it because one doesn't want to crash and die. But yeah, let's go. What? Okay, pull out, buds. The hardest part, pulling out of this garage. Oh, sure. Here we go, buddy. Time to scrape. Ooh. It's a hole. Your car just fucking bounces. How do you like it?
Feels pretty good. I like on my hand. Are you gonna get one too now or what?
Maybe for my upcoming car. You mean, is Kenny gonna get one?
You always like to get the same thing.
Basically. He just wants you to get it first. Okay, time to put this airbag in.
Turn.
That's it?
Yeah, that's it.
Doesn't it honk?
Yeah, it does.
Oh.
Look up your neighbors, yo.
It's it.
Yeah.
What do you guys think?
That's all, folks. That's all. That's all she wrote.
Put a like, leave a like if you guys like it. Yeah. That ends our video. We will see you on our next video. See you guys later.